One game time.
Easy job there. Yeah, it's not very good.
Okay, ready?
No.
Break.
I brought my brother on one day. He lasted for the day. That was it. I brought Conrad up. He made it till about lunchtime, and then he quit.
The only job I worked all summer with my dad is
Ready? Yeah.
Yeah. No, wait. Yeah, the company I worked for was massive. Like when I first started there, we were doing 750 a year. It's crazy, and that's 3 boards per
Ready? Ready?
per house, right? You got the garage, the driveway, the sidewalk, and the basement, right? No, back then.
Oh, tell me, wheelbarrow.
Yeah, wheelbarrow, most of it, yeah. The basement, everything. Yeah, he had a shoot system. Times that we planned, we did a few experiments, but we had these metal sheets. That was when I was 31, so 2000, 2001, 2002. Yeah, 2002. 55 this year.
I'm 50 now.
Yeah, so we backed the truck up to the window, or we baked the window there, and you assemble the chute. Some of them we had to pass inside, do it at once. And then we had, oh yeah, we were I was shoveling when I saw that. And they had 2 metal sheets that they put in.
Did they use enough water?
For the basements they did, yeah. But when it came to garages and driveways, we started pouring
My
stickers.
dad, you know, he would yell at me when I'm working. All he said is concrete doesn't wait.
Yeah, it's not.
Put out or get out.
Yeah.
It was bad.
Oh, it's.
And you know, the
I
one
get behind the 8 ball.
the one foreman, he told me, he said, you're gonna go up 5 flights of stairs, you got 2 gallon buckets. They don't up.
Yeah.
Don't stop. If it went up and down, no problem. I was able to do that from the TV. I stopped once, I was done. You know what the foreman station for 5, 6, 30. I don't care for 5, 6, oh, you gave me so much honor. Being shit, I didn't know what to do. I couldn't do it.
It's a nightmare, man. It really is.
Yeah, but you know what? I'm glad I experienced it. I liked it.
Okay, ready?
I did it because I don't want you to work in there.
I learned my lesson. My body broke. After working there for a year, we started using the pump more. But then I was on the
Ready?
end of the hole.
Yeah.
It came home to like,
You know, Alan?
yeah.
Yeah. I've been riding the way because he speeds a lot quicker.
Yeah.
And he speeds even like they haven't known for a while. I don't know what he does.
Oh.
And it's time to do that. You got to figure it out.
Ready? Ready?
He's talking about, I don't want to start buying this. He's home. Why? Because I had a problem.
Yeah, I'm wondering what he did for a living because he's got a castle of a house.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, and then run one.
There.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
I have no idea. I don't have to work. I have 11 minutes off.
Yeah.
And I have it, and they're making me come into the real estate. If I do that, I'm going to get to that level, I'll build my own.
Yeah.
One guy in the sun is over.
Ready? Yeah.
Because he's limited.
You don't need like 8, 10 governments or whatever.
So I know how you're doing. You've got to put money in that. I don't hit your house. It's not gardener. You don't need to do anything.
I love it.
It's not no headaches.
It's nice and quiet, good area.
You got too much stress. You don't sleep good. You got here. That's nice. How's your one son? He's supposed to be one to your dad.
Yeah, he's supposed to want to treatment this one year. That's good. And I have no idea.
Nice. Oh, Carey.
Nice. 6 months. And,
Ready? Yeah.
no, it's Alex. And he went through a program supposedly. I don't know why they were collecting documents. But I saw him just after Christmas because I bought the kid Christmas presents anyway. So, he just showed up.
Nope, I want to go out swinging, bro. Let's do this. Ready? Ready?
But I have no idea, because once you're in, no, I haven't seen it, that was last time he came by, just after Christmas in January sometime. He hasn't phoned or nothing since. So I'm hoping the best for him.
Is he turned
His
into
girlfriend's
siblings?
pregnant now, so. Yeah, that's not good, great. Another, that's number 10. 10 grandkids. It's crazy. Christmas is crazy.
Oh, come back.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, all the daughters have, my daughter, my youngest daughter, she's 17 and 18. That's her first and only kid.
Are they doing okay with it?
They're doing all right. Yes, as best as they can. She's living at Crystal. Yeah.
You did your, that's your business.
Yeah, that's right. So,
Where do you want me to block? In the middle?
so yeah, that was the last I heard. Apparently he's still doing really good.
Your side.
No, I kinda want to see through it. It's always gonna be a headache.
You want me to read that?
for the rest of his life.
Like, he can hit the
Because
straight.
he did it for 16,
Big girl.
17 years.
We can hover around.
It's always gonna be.
Ready?
taken out of him.
Yeah.
I just want to see you because he is.
Yeah, it could be. So I worry about him lots. He's always been good.
Remember the verse
You
in the
know, up and
Bible?
down, up and down.
Remember the verse in the Bible? His burden was light. That burden was light.
Yeah.
God, you have to live with God.
Yeah.
That's his burden. He has to take care of you. You pray, you thank God first, you pray, take care of
I have to draw the line, right? I have to say that's left out for me.
Your burden is like do your best, be obedient, do good things. Don't cheat, don't steal. That's how I live.
Yeah, yeah. I expect
At the end of the day, it's not your fault. God says, but there's consequences to your actions.
I'm always coming.
God said there's consequences to your actions.
Always, yeah. Always. I might have a gift there, hey, I can see the consequences for each way, and I weigh it out, and then I choose the better and the later
I can see it already when you say it.
That's how I live my life. I was just perfect for 90 years.
You had some cash, you had properties, you could do that.
Yeah.
You had money to stop you.
No, no
Wait,
response.
you did stubbornness?
For what?
Did you have stubbornness? That you can be stubborn?
Oh,
How do you have it?
yeah. No, I'm just very, it's patience for me. I have a lot of patience, right? And I learned that from dealing with Crystal. Like, that's one thing she gave me over
Were
the
you
years.
too easy going with the kids, or was it her?
I was never home growing up. Because I was never working 16 hours a day. So, and that's getting one day off a week. It's not enough time to impress mom. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
you, guys.
Thank you.